Hey, it's late at night, so got you on the GoPro. So at the local event or hangout tonight, unfortunately, a buddy of mine with his car that he's had for a couple of months, he's got a Chevy SS, and unfortunately was hit. So, but I did have the camera with me, so let's go ahead and roll that footage. We are off to the meet. I just love these things. These things are so awesome. Race car mode, engage. Right there. So they're a little bit expensive, but man, you can get some good stuff. Get that protein in, which is what I'm going to do tonight, because a little bit sore after the gym. Hey, what's going on?
How's YouTube channel?
Oh, it's all right, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I want some video.
Yeah.
Anything else to it?
Sounds
a little louder.
It's...
I'd say so.
Yeah. The long tubes and all that.
Like that.
What's going on?
We are not supposed to be revving here.
I'm not gonna rev anymore. Don't rev. Don't rev.
What's it called? What's the blue called again?
It's a lightning blue.
Lightning?
Yep. Smells like victory, like freedom. How much you buy for it?
Oh, it's mine?
Huh?
Oh, it's mine?
Oh, I don't know. Whose is it?
Mine.
27. 27, that's not bad. What's the mileage?
Huh?
What's the mileage?
2.5.
Yeah, well, none of that matters if you build it up, I guess. Here is Gabe's Addictions. He's right there. That's the man himself. Say hello.
Hello. Can you see him?
I've got the ISO up. Yeah, it sucks, but you can see it. I'm also here with a fan. Introduce yourself.
What's up? I'm Logan Birchfield. My YouTube channel is just my name, Logan Birchfield, so go check me out. My Instagram is Birchfield_TC.
So, good guy, go check him out. So this is his car. Oh shit.
Come on.
I didn't see it for real.
Lot, bro.
I was backing up, and my sensor didn't work. I didn't see it for real.
But come on, man. It's the only red car in this area.
Well, he said he didn't see it.
I didn't see it for real. I didn't see it. I didn't even feel when I hit it anyway, for real. I didn't even feel when I hit it.
Oh, I ran out of card space. No,
did? It was right. I didn't even feel it when I hit it. For real, I didn't fucking feel it.
Yeah, you'll be tagged all over
I
it.
didn't even bring my damn video.
I'm surprised. I normally know almost every car, and I didn't know what car that was. And I'm like, that's
Definitely winning.
whoever owns it. Mad props.
Definitely winning.
Yeah, that's mad props, bro.
Any of us are.